Well, here we go. We're doing the maintenance on a state water heater. It's a state premier. Here we go. This is the way we do it. We got our little bucket here, a little pump there. We got our vinegar and solution to descale. You got your little valve set up. You connect one side of the pump. And the other side. Basically all you're doing is just flushing out the tankless. What we do is we pump some solution down in there, as you can tell. Basically it circulates around in the heat exchanger, making sure that everything is working properly, and then go from there. Now you don't sit there and go all kinds of crazy tightening those things up. They got a washer in them, so you can have them hand tighten if you want. And this is very important. You got to remove that little filter right there. If you don't remove that little filter, basically what's going to end up happening is all your sediment is going to stay right there and it's going to plug up your water flow. If you have very low volume, more than likely that's what's going on. You can always troubleshoot it. See that right there? There's a little filter. Now you can tell it's pretty clogged up. Yep. Good stuff right there. All we do is just remove the filter out of it, put it back in, plug it up, and then run our solution through the system. And then once we get done, we just do the same process but backwards. Take everything off, and that's how you do it. Now we'll sit there and turn on the pump. You're gonna burn out the pump. Gotta make sure your hoses are inside the bucket. So if not, you see? You can get all that green stuff out of there. We got a leak. That's all you do. You run it for about 20 minutes and then do everything backwards again, and there you go. That's how you flush out a tankless water heater. Thanks for watching.